Okay, now another one, Moscow Mule. This is probably our go-to one after gin and tonic. So we have got, remember I'm making a double measure, so you want to half this, unless your liver's going to go to school this year, because it's got to be. So, let's start. I've got 4 limes, a can of ginger beer, a bottle of vodka. This is our favourite vodka, the Absolute. So, I'm going to squeeze the limes first of all. Already made a start on them. A handy tip with limes is to roll them first, you know, on the worktop, because then they soften up, breaks up the membranes, and you can squeeze a lot more juice out of them. Okay, so as an idea, that's 2.5 limes. I've already got 2 shots of lime juice effectively. Okay, so another one. So in the old Boston. Get out of the way so I don't tip it all over the place again. Okay, so I'm done with the limes. That's my 4 limes. In goes the ice. Got 8 cubes in there. Vodka. You would have 2 shots normally, because I'm doing doubles, 4 shots. North State in the hands, been painting parts of a car again. Now, the bit you'll be waiting for. Well, that's not tequila, so I won't do it this one. But you can do a Mexican version with tequila, which is really nice. Right, get it all smashed up so that you're breaking up your ice and looking sexy. See, they do all this. I should learn this. I just learn how to drink it all. Okay, so it's lovely and cold. Break the vacuum. I've got a few bubbles in there from doing so hard. So here we go. Let's go half and half in there. I don't think you need any special training or anything. I bought a book, half price, and just started mixing. Wasn't even a drinker. So anyone can do this. You just have to buy a few bottles and a few cans and a few mixers, and then you're there. Whoops. So, 2 limes. So, 2 limes, 2 shots of vodka, ginger beer to top up, half a can. And it's a crack.